All right, what is going on, everybody? So, um, I talk about mods. You'll hear me call out like nexusmods.com sometimes in some of my videos, or the in-game mods, which I'll do another video on that. That's pretty simple for the PC players. My buddy just bought Ready or Not on console, Xbox specifically, but this applies to both Xbox and PlayStation players, okay? I asked him to, I said, hey, go to your main menu, scroll down to mods on your main menu while you're at the main menu on Ready or Not. He does not have that option. And so after about 3 hours of digging, both him and I have, I'd say, decent skills with computer navigation and technology as well. But 3 hours of digging through Google forums and legal things through Microsoft ended up being a dead end for our console buddies. I'm sorry, guys, but you will not have any mods coming to you with your current consoles. Now, maybe when the new Xbox and the new PlayStation comes out, those legalities will change, and they might be able to have mod.io embedded in there to where you can play that. So, but for now, I am sorry that you guys cannot have mods to enjoy like the fullness of this game. So if you want to enjoy the fullness of this game and in its entirety, I would say get a PC and repurchase it because you're missing out. So for my PC guys, I talk about Nexus a lot. There's two steps to this. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Go ahead and start up your, what do you call it? Steam. Okay. You're going to go to Ready or Not. You're going to right click Ready or Not and you're going to go to Properties. Okay. Scroll down to Installed Files. Click that and come over to the top one. It says Browse. So we're going to browse. Okay. Now what you want to do is double click Ready or Not folder. Double click this content folder and see this packs folder. You're going to want to right click that, and what I do is I pin to quick access, which brings anything that you want on when you open up your files folder. It'll be right here on the left hand side. See, it's like pinned rather than pinning to start. This is your start bar, right? So I do pin to quick access, which I've already done because it's sitting right there. So what you want to do after you do that, close out of this. Close out of that. You can minimize or close your Steam. It doesn't matter at this point. And then we're going to go to the web browser. Okay. So I've got Nexus mods pulled up right now. This is the it's www.nexusmods.com. As simple as that. So you're going to come over here, but before you can download, you need to go ahead and this little thing over here. You want to I do not go premium. I'm a free member. There's nothing that you need for the premium membership unless you're downloading like gigabytes worth of stuff and you want it now. So other than that, once you start your account, you can come here and you're going to search Ready or Not. Just type in Ready. It'll be one of the first ones right here. Click on it. Now scroll down. I don't care about trending mods, whatever, right? I do have that one, which is the 338 update available. I will do that later. But for now, we want to go to mods and click view all. Now, one of the most important things that you need to do is come to this little drop down menu. We don't care about date published. We don't care about endorsements. You need to come to last updated. Check that, okay? Because anything that is prior to the third DLC, which is like the Los Sueños stories or something like that. I think I haven't gotten there yet to it. Yeah, that's what it is. Um, so I've already downloaded like little FBI patches, right? So we're gonna come. Let's check this out. Let's do the Oakley gloves, whatever, right? Let's click on this and I'll show you how to do it. So the description is about the mod, tells you about it. You can I recommend reading all your mods first because it'll tell you how to do it if you don't know. And also make sure you check this, okay? Safe to use. That's I mean, I've done some that don't say safe to use. It says like checked some files, but not all files have been checked. and thankfully I haven't downloaded a virus yet. So I don't recommend downloading unless it says safe to use. Okay, so we're going to click on File. All right, and what you want to do, what does this say here? Those are old files. We want this one. The date 27 July. It's past 15 July, so this will work for you. So you want to click on Manual Download. Some games, Mod Manager downloaders, they work well, but not for Ready or Not. Just go ahead and click Manual Download, and you see this free. Slow download. We're going to click Slow Download. No, I don't feel like donating, okay? But I could. I might. You never know. Because I do, see, I already grabbed that FBI stuff, right? So you're going to open up your downloads now, okay? And if you have Windows 11 or anything newer, as far as like at least a computer that's 2021 or 2022 or newer, you'll be able to see that right there. Or you can right click it and it should say extract all too. So we're going to extract all. We want to extract. And see this? That's the pack. Now I could just drop it and put it in there, but I'm going to show you. You want to take this file, put it on your desktop for right now. Okay, and then we'll just exit out of everything. Okay. So now I should have this folder, which, I've got my all mods folder right there, which I put all my mods into, which this folder will eventually go in there too. But for right now, for this purpose, we're going to actually open this, right? I can close that one. And we're going to take that and we're going to drop it right into your packs folder, okay? Now here is your packs. Do not, please, whatever you do, if you're going to delete and take things out, just do not take out anything that says pack chunk Windows, any of them, okay? You will crash your game. So this is what I'm running right now. I have Gunfighter, which gives you faster movement, a little bit less recoil, more realistic recoil is what I should say. The MG338, which is that machine gun that you see me use on the zombies. I know it says butter 9mm, but they nerfed the hell out of the 9mm. This brings some punch and power back to the 9mm. Simple mod menu, you need to have that to be able to run weapons, okay? And then simple blueprint, you got to have that as well to be able to run weapons and mods. I got a 25 slot pack so I can have more tactical gear like extra flashbangs, extra sidearm, ammunition and stuff like that. Now this is my zombie mod that I have currently on there, and I'm having fun with it. Okay. Custom weapon loader, that's another important that you need to have to run weapons, right? But the only weapon that I have downloaded right now is the MG33. Oh, I'm sorry, and the Glock 19 Gen 5. I do have that too. And then here you go, the gloves, right? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this works. And I might have to pause the video because it has NVIDIA has a hard time switching over from desktop to games. So there's going to be a brief pause, and I'm gonna launch my game, and I'm gonna show you guys those Oakley assault gloves that should be in your attire now. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this, and I will see you guys in just a brief moment. Alright, what's going on everybody? So here we go. This is the mods menu that I was talking about that my console players unfortunately don't have. I'll open it up and kind of show you what it is. I have uncensored or not put on. That's really the only one I have grabbed. It brings it back to what the game was before the third DLC on 15 July, meaning you can like blow their legs off still after they're dead. And it's not really that much of a difference, but I like playing how it is. And also, yeah, you can unlock pretty much all your cosmetics, which I really don't care about. I've beat the game and I've unlocked most or all the cosmetics already. So let's go back and go to multiplayer, friends, host only. Create a game. Hopefully this doesn't. Sometimes it boots me out. My NVIDIA recording should keep recording though. Okay, good. There it is. And we're gonna walk over. If you have the simple blueprint mod, you just press M on your keyboard, and you come to this right here, and it brings you right to it. Okay, but for everybody else, you know, I'll stop being lazy and I'll walk over to the locker. Okay. All right. So we're gonna come over to the locker, and we're gonna look at this real quick. So customization, right? I don't have any gloves on. Let's see, where are the gloves? Oh, there we go. And let's see if we can find that Oakley. There it is, Oakley SI assault gloves. See, so it works. You know, you can. It's nice. You know, it's nice being able to have Nexus mods to whatever you want. You know, but that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. I'm surprised I don't have a tactical belt on. That's strange. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, just put it in the comments, and I hope this video helps you guys. And that's pretty much it. All right, thank you guys for watching.